I absolutely believe in HP. I believe HP is the best. Just because a customer doesn't think it's an issue now doesn't mean we don't anticipate it's going to be. It's not about solely being reactive to what people think is wrong, but it's being proactive and fixing problems before people even know they're coming up.
I've worked in data centers, being the guy that had to go around and do the updates of the servers, do all the firmware maintenance. And I have to say, it's one of the absolutely most thankless jobs in the entire data center.
If you could measure how much energy a human has to use to actually get a server up and running, how many buttons do they have to click? How many mouse clicks do they have to take?
You look at that from a customer perspective of the customers that have tens, thousands, hundreds of thousands of systems that they are trying to deploy these software and firmware updates. It's a major issue.
Our new Smart Update Manager, what we've done is a couple things. One is we've packaged the firmware and software together so it's well-tested sets that are released on a periodic basis. So customers are able to take a complete package and with confidence be able to deploy that and then know that it'll be supported for an extended period of time after that.
It's delivered with what we're calling the SPP, the Service Pack for ProLiant.
And with the new Smart Update Manager, when we do deploy those, we can deploy them across many systems at once, automatically handling any dependency checking, making everything install in the right order, and minimizing the amount of downtime or outage required to get the firmware updated and the systems updated.
But with the intelligent provisioning, you can also individually update components. So it is the one common tool, well tested, make sure it works on all of our platforms, whether it's a Blade, whether it's an ML, whether it's a DL. It's the same product, the same tool, and it'll apply all the updates for you.
So the idea really is, get it done as quickly as possible, minimize outage, and minimize the amount of time and effort involved by the system administrator to keep the systems up and running.
The amount of time that it takes to go through the entire process, including the change management and the reporting, has been cut down by about 2/3. That's seriously moving the needle.
Instead of customers thinking about how do they serve the server, we're saying, how does the server serve you? And that's a completely different mindset.